Was Tyrannosaurus Rex actually an immigrant from Asia? We all know the mighty T-Rex, the giant dinosaur with tiny arms and a Hollywood reputation. But did you know? T-Rex might have actually come from Asia? Yep. According to recent studies, T-Rex's ancestors originally lived in Asia before migrating to North America around 67 million years ago. Probably like... And funny enough, early T-Rexes weren't that scary. They were smaller, less intimidating, and probably wouldn't land a movie deal. But over time, they evolved, got bigger, badder, and became top predators. So yeah, T-Rex, total success story. An ancient immigrant who worked their way to the top of the food chain. Who knew the king of dinosaurs had Asian roots?